coronavirus going on, everything going on with it. And one of the things we talked about was how, in insurance, and I'm talking to you, I'm not talking to Cameron, in insurance, we like to think that we're the high point of everybody's day, but we're not. I mean, most people, that's the thing they dread most in the day. And so I think that everybody watching this, everybody on Instagram, LinkedIn, wherever you're watching this at, remember that under normal circumstances in dealing with people's insurance, we have such a huge opportunity to affect their day with a great attitude. I mean, attitude is more than half the battle, and somebody having a terrible day, and we inject them with a great attitude, it's going to make leaps and bounds on their mood, their state of mind, their happiness possibly. But especially with this going on, I mean, everywhere you go, there's doom and gloom. If someone's, talking to you about their insurance, calling in, Zooming in, Skyping in, whatever, and you inject just a little bit of good attitude in there, man, like, you could build a friend and a client for life. So remember that.